at you from the beaches of Havana, Cuba. Why is everybody ignoring what Bitcoin is about to do? Bitcoin is in serious trouble, serious problem. Actually, the whole market is in serious problems, guys. Bitcoin right now has been trying to get over the resistance that has been trying to get over in the past months now. It's right now trying to get above that $32,000 level. It's right now at $30,600. And it's waiting to see what's going to happen. I predict at the next FOMC, if the Fed Reserve goes ahead and continues its interest rate hike, that we're going to get a huge dump. It's going to be a humongous dump that's going to scare the rest of the market. It's going to scare them out. We're going to go ahead and retest the lows of that $15,000 level where we were at back in February. So that's my prediction on Bitcoin. That's my prediction on the rest of the market. I'm going to show you right now, go back to my TA, technical analysis, let you guys look at the chart and see exactly what I'm talking about. But Bitcoin, guys, everybody's ignoring the dump that's going to occur. That's my speculation, not financial advice, only for educational purposes only. But I believe my speculation is right, as it has been over the past 2-3 years. I've been calling where the drop will be. I've been calling where the pivot will be. And guys, I've been telling you, I don't expect that we have bottomed out yet. We have not reached the area where we're going to pivot. We're going to retest that $15,000 level. If we cannot hold that $15,000 level, we're going to break below the $13,000, $10,000 level, which I believe is where we possibly can go ahead and pivot.
Guys, what everybody is ignoring, here you go. We're taking a look at the weekly chart. And as I showed you the previous day, we see where Bitcoin cannot get above this level. It's a strong resistance. As I said, for me to get bullish, it has to get above this gray line, which is my 100-day exponential moving average on the weekly for Bitcoin. It has not done that. In fact, it has come up here once. It came up here twice. It broke down, did not get above this strong level, okay, where it broke and closed, this heavy resistance. It tried this again last week, and it's been attempting to do so now. I expect, guys, that it cannot get above there. We're going to go ahead and see it retest back down here where I actually had told you guys to enter along. And if you had done so, you would be in profits now. It will go back down here. If it cannot hold there at that particular $25,000 level, $25,700 level, we're going to go ahead and break down below even further to around $20,000 and then ultimately retest that $15,000 level that I said that we were at back in February, as we can see right here. On January, February, and even where we were trying to get above in November of 2022. So we went up. It's not gotten past that strong resistance. I think we go ahead and retest that level, 15K. And if we can't hold this particular level, guys, we're going to dump. Quickly, that's what I'm calling. That's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. And if that happens with Bitcoin, we're going to see that's happening also with the rest of the markets. Why? Because the S&P and the NASDAQ will be doing the same. And Bitcoin has been pretty much following the S&P, and it's acting also like a tech stock. It's been following the NASDAQ. I go ahead and, as I tell you, I take a quick look at the weekly and the S&P, and I see that it's forming right now a red candle, a bearish candle in this week, which means that we're going to possibly see a trend change. And the same thing here when I'm looking at the NASDAQ, I tell you, you can't make this stuff up. We see also a red bearish candle forming. So guys, I'm expecting a lot of people, guys, are not paying attention to this. They're thinking that we've gone up and we got to actually take the whole market into consideration. And really what's going to dictate is what's going to happen in the next upcoming FOMC.